Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2001 Mercedes-Benz SLK230. And what we're going to do today is show you how to replace the right side low beam bulb. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, let's get right to it. The first thing you do is you got your air cleaner right here. You got this little air tube, then you got a clamp right here. I love these clamps. Instead of like a screwdriver, you just take this little lever right here, flip it up, wiggle that hose till it comes off. Now, this whole air cleaner assembly is just really pushed into like grommets. But you want to make sure you don't really yank up on it because you can break these ears off. There's one right here, and there's one way down here. Right there. Alright, so what we're going to do is take our hands, get up under here, pop that up, reach down here and pop that one up. The whole assembly is going to come out just like that. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, you're going to have this little cover right here. Now this cover is held on by a little latch right there, and you're going to have to push that latch down towards the cover, back it out, and pick it up. Because what you got at the bottom is two little hooks that hooks right into those little slots on each side of that tab right there. Alright, the next thing you do, you're gonna see two bulbs. The top one is your low beam and the bottom one is your high beam. First of all, let's unplug it. Now, this thing is just pushed on, plugged in. That's all you have to do is wiggle it carefully. And unplug it. And if it's stuck, it will get stuck. You can take it out with the bulb. Alright, we got that unplugged. Push that to the side. Now, there's your bulb. Your bulb is held on by this little clip right here. Let me take my glove off so you can see better. This clip, the top half, you have to push towards the front of the vehicle and then to the right. Wait a minute. Yeah. So, because it's setting into little grooves on there. So, I'm going to push it in, to the right, and then it's going to come out of them little hooks right there, fold it down, and there's your bulb. Pay attention to where this bulb comes out, because you notice the top of it is flat, and you got that little tab coming up, so you make sure that's on the top. So let's pull this bulb out, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, the bulbs you're going to get, you don't have to get a Sylvania, you can get any one you want. The bulb you're going to be looking for is an H7. Alright. Alright, now taking this bulb out, do not put your hands on the bulb. You can shorten the life of this bulb dramatically. Alright, so you're going to do it, open it back up. Grab it by the connectors, in the back part. And before we install this, let's bring it over here to the old one, and you can check, this way you can check to see if your bulb is actually blown. Let me turn this to the same side this one is. And if you look at the bottom filament, there's two lines, the one at the top and one at the bottom. You see the bottom will look broken. You can actually see it broken. And if you look at the new one, it looks intact. Alright, great camera work, Civvy. Alright, let's get our bulb in here. First thing we're going to do is stick our bulb in. Remember, that tab is going to the top. So, we're going to put our bulb in. Okay. Alright. Bring our latch forward. Swing it to the right first. Push it in and down. Lock into place. Take our connector. Push that on. That's done. Take our cover. remember the two bottom got the hooks on it. We're gonna hook that in just like that. Bring it forward and latch it closed. All right, we'll be right back. Ready? All right, guys. Next, we're gonna put our air cleaner back into place. Now, air cleaner has, I thought it was 2, but it's actually 3. 3 little studs coming out of there, and they set into the 3 grommets going down here. Then, if you want, this is the time to get a little lithium grease if you want, and just put a little dab right there, there, and there, and it helps, it pushes itself back in. But we don't have to worry about that. The next thing you want to do is worry about this little air tube right here. This little air tube goes over towards here, right here. So we're going to lower this down, get our air tube in there. Okay, by the way, guys, this tube goes over the one that's in there. All right, so we got that in there. Get our grommets lined up. And once you have your grommets all 3 lined up, just carefully push down and lock them into place. Done. Now, get our hose, put it on, take our clamp, bring it over, lock it. That's done. Let's cut our headlights on and check operation. Okay, it's on?
Yeah.
Oh, that was high beam. That's low beam.
It's still on.
Okay, high beam and low beam. Alright guys, there you go. We'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2001 SLK, or a Mercedes SLK230. And we showed you how to replace the low beam on the headlight. So if you have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section. Or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia and Emmett from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.